Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cash flow tracking with Empower Personal Dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open the Empower Personal Dashboard on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the main navigation menu. Click on the Cashflow tab to access your cash flow tracking features. Look for the Restore Cashflow option on the dashboard. Select this option to begin the restoration process. You will see a prompt asking you to confirm the restoration. Review the information carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Restore button. The dashboard will now begin to retrieve your previous cash flow data. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. You'll receive a notification once the restoration is complete. Check the Recent Transactions section to ensure all data is accurate. If any transactions appear missing, you can manually add them. Click on the Add Transaction button to enter any missing details. Fill in the required fields such as date, amount, and category. Save the changes to keep your cash flow data up to date. Review your cash flow summary to confirm everything looks correct. Regularly monitoring this section will help you stay on top of your finances. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help section for troubleshooting tips. You're now ready to effectively manage your cash flow with the Empower Personal Dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.